Hi, I'm here to see the apartment for rent. Is now a good time?
Yes, of course. Welcome. Let me show you around. This is a two-bedroom apartment with one bathroom, a kitchen, and a living room. Do you have any specific questions?
Thank you. It looks nice so far. How big is the apartment?
It's about 900 square feet. The living room is quite spacious, and both bedrooms have good closet space. Would you like to start with the living room?
Sure. Wow, this living room is bigger than I expected. How much sunlight does it get during the day?
It's pretty bright. The windows face south, so you get a lot of natural light throughout the day. In the mornings, it's especially sunny.
That's great. I love natural light. Is this hardwood flooring throughout the apartment?
Yes, it is. The flooring is hardwood in the living room and bedrooms, and the kitchen and bathroom have tile floors. It's easy to clean and looks great.
I like that. Speaking of the kitchen, can we take a look?
Sure. The kitchen has been recently updated with new appliances. There's a refrigerator, stove, and dishwasher. It's a bit on the smaller side, but has a lot of cabinet space.
It seems functional. I don't need anything too big. Are the appliances energy efficient?
Yes, all of them are energy efficient. It helps save on electricity bills, which is a nice bonus.
That's good to know. And the dishwasher will be really convenient. Now, I'm curious about the bedrooms. Are they both the same size?
The master bedroom is a bit larger than the second bedroom. Let's go take a look. The master bedroom is about 14 by 12 feet, and the second bedroom is around 10 by 10 feet.
This is a good size for a master bedroom. I like the closet space too. Does the second bedroom have a closet as well?
Yes, the second bedroom has a built-in closet, though it's slightly smaller. It's perfect for a guest room or a home office.
That's exactly what I need, a home office. This would work really well. Can we check out the bathroom next?
Of course. The bathroom is just down the hall. It has a full tub, shower, and plenty of storage under the sink.
It's a decent size. I like that it has a bathtub. Is the water pressure good here?
Yes, the water pressure is strong, and we've never had issues with hot water. The building management is very responsive if anything needs fixing.
That's a relief. I've had bad experiences with slow maintenance in the past. How's the noise level in this apartment?
It's pretty quiet. The walls are thick, so you don't hear much from the neighbors. The area itself is peaceful, too, with little street noise, especially at night.
That's great. I work from home, so a quiet environment is really important to me. Is there a washer and dryer in the apartment?
There's no washer and dryer inside the apartment, but there's a laundry room in the building. It's just down the hall and is very convenient to use.
That could work. How about parking? Is there parking available?
Yes, there's a parking lot for tenants. Each apartment gets one reserved spot, and there's also street parking for guests.
That's good to know. I have one car, so that should be fine. What about utilities? Are they included in the rent?
Water and trash are included, but you'll be responsible for electricity and internet. The heating is electric, so it's part of your electricity bill.
Okay, that seems reasonable. Speaking of rent, how much is it per month?
The rent is $1,200 per month, and we require a security deposit of 1 month's rent. The lease is for 12 months.
That sounds fair. Is there any flexibility with the lease if I need to move out earlier?
We generally prefer a 12-month commitment, but if something comes up, you can always sublet the apartment, as long as you inform management first.
That's good to know. I don't plan on moving soon, but it's nice to have options. What's the neighborhood like?
The neighborhood is very friendly and quiet. There are parks nearby, and it's close to grocery stores, cafes, and public transport. It's a great area for families and young professionals.
It sounds like a good fit for me. I like the idea of being close to parks. How far is the nearest grocery store?
It's just a 10-minute walk from here. There's also a bus stop right around the corner if you need to get downtown or anywhere else.
That's really convenient. I don't have any more questions right now. I'm very interested in the apartment. What's the next step if I want to apply?
You'll need to fill out an application form, provide proof of income, and have a credit check. If everything checks out, we can proceed with signing the lease.
I'll take the application and get started on that. Thank you so much for the tour and all the information.
You're welcome. Let me know if you have any more questions. We'd love to have you as a tenant.
I'll definitely be in touch soon. Thanks again.
No problem. Have a great day.
You too.